What is it? Wait a minute. Oh no. Hey, Tubbs. Miles, what you doing? Murph? Oh, what? What is it? Goodness, guys. Ouch. Sister. Okay. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Liz is on the kayak.
Not.
You know what?
This thing ain't waterproof.
Because mom flipped the thing like 4 times and her phone was dry at the end of the
Okay,
time.
because this thing is okay. It's safe.
She's not gonna hurt you.
Cabella's a nice dog.
I'm gonna try and get her out.
Oh. Watch, she can walk across the water. Ready?
Help me get out of this.
Cabela! Come on!
Oh, look, there's
Liz,
water in
you
the
don't
kayak.
have to be a Cabela! Come on! Come here!
Okay.
Or
Flip
not.
flops are not the best thing to wear.
No, they're not.
Come on, pull her out, Beth. It's Cabela! Liz, you're okay. Keep going.
No, get me out of here.
No!
Okay.
Keep going!
No, you
You're
have to
okay.
get out of